Hello guys, join me as I get my son ready for school. So today is the second day of him going to school, and we register him on Wednesday, February, and today is Valentine's Day. So if this video do not pop up on Valentine's Day, please know that I'm trying to edit it. Editing is not easy, even shooting is not easy. So I'll be making Indomie for him for lunch, and it's Friday, which is, we know Valentine's Day is Friday. So I just put water for the on the pot. Sorry, I just put water on the pot for the water to get boil. This is just it. So I want to parboil that into me. I'm making one packet, one sachet. English na your mate. I'm making one sachet for him. So I'm putting the seasoning, which is the Indomie, pepper and mango. Sorry for my voice. Sorry for that. So I'm just putting the mango, but I will not allow it. I will not put everything. Sorry, I will not put everything. So I will just stir everything together. This is just practically what I'm doing. Please, if you have not liked, please like, encourage me. It's not easy to shoot a video. Like waking up and shooting a video instead of preparing for your son is not easy. So please encourage me. So this is just me. I just filter the water away and put back the pot on fire. I put back the pot on fire. I added a little bit of groundnut oil. So I was checking it. So I used the groundnut oil to, like, I don't know how I explain that side. Just watch it. So it wasn't enough in my eyes, and I did the wasabi and I put extra. I was like, is it groundnut oil my son want to eat to school or what? Like my son want to be eating in school, so I have to turn away some. I just pour some away in the plate, and I put back the pot, the one I know that will be. I just need the pot to be greased with groundnut oil because the pot is non stick, so it won't burn food that much. So I put my egg on. That egg is one egg, so I share it. I fried some. I just did some scrambled egg, which is what I'm just doing. Scrambled egg, so it will be showing more in the Indomie. That is what I just do. And I say, please subscribe, follow me if you are watching on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel. So I'm just stirring it. So I'm scrambling it now. I'm just scrambling the egg. Like, comment, share, so at least you encourage me to do this, to do more. And if you have a child, you can just pick one or two and prepare for him from this channel. It's not showing you how to cook. This channel is not showing you how to cook. It's how I live my life that this channel is showing you. So this place, I've poured the Indomie. So I'm just stirring everything together, mixing everything, so the egg and the Indomie will marry together and mix well. You know what I mean now. So yes, this place is not showing you how to cook, how to be a good chef. Even me, I'm not a good chef. I'm learning every day. So I'm just bringing one or two things of how I live my life. I spend my day here. So I'm just adding dry pepper here. I'm not adding much based on it's just a toddler, so it doesn't need much pepper because it doesn't eat much pepper. And I added my onions because I did not fry it. I added my onions and then stir. When I was making this thing, the thought of my head was, will this thing come out nice? Will this thing come out perfect? I said, let me just keep trying. Let me just try. You're making this thing and my baby father is there. He will tell you that you're just wasting your time. And wow, I just poured the remaining egg. You see the economizing that I did. I was so economized. I poured the remaining egg. I wanted to load the fire because the fire was much, but the gas was so hot. Like the cylinder was so hot that I could not touch it. I don't know the construction my baby father did there. Even me using this gas, I was even afraid because the gas is old and but I'm just trying. Instead of me to go to the firewood this early morning because I woke up around 5:40 and start doing this, so I just decided to just use the gas that is available. So I'm just stirring everything together, making everything to marry each other. I cover it for it to cook for a little while because I want the indomie to dry and I want it to come out soft because it's my baby of 3 years that is eating it and it needs something soft. So I went to check and it was not okay. And this time around I stayed together. Don't mind the pure water on my mat though. I use it to pour in a kettle for my baby to use to eat for breakfast. So that is why the remaining one was still on my mat. I wanted to drink it and I put the food down. So now I've missed my baby food. He's eating golden morn. Sorry, he's eating golden morn. I've mixed it together and I'm feeling and as you can see here, his face is feeling sleepy, like he's just waking up from sleep. I have to wake him that guy, don't you know that I have resumed school, that you need to go to school? Please wake up. And he was like, leave me, leave me. I said I dragged him off the bed. So I'm feeding him here for him to eat. So because my baby, if he doesn't eat, he doesn't poo. I don't know if if your children are behaving like that. If my baby doesn't eat, he doesn't poo. So for him not to go and disturb teacher, I have to, make him eat his food, because if he go to school and eat, he will ask the teacher that he want to poo. But if he poo in the morning, he doesn't poo again, except he's having running stomach. He doesn't poo again saying the next day. That is when he will poo. So I make sure I feed him, because when he wakes up in the morning, even when he's not going to school, as he wake up, he's going for food straight. That is how my baby live his life. He wake up with food and end the days with food and end the day with food. He love food so much and he doesn't eat anything except golden morn and tea, bread and tea. That is what he eat, or biscuit and tea, except he's feeling so hungry. That is why this indomie, I was just doing it, I was like, I see he's feeling so hungry. That is when he will take something healthy, eat even swallow or anything. But if not hungry, you just refer that is golden morn and his tea. So at this point I'm done feeding him. I bathed him, brushed his teeth, and I did that off camera because the video was getting so long. So I wanted to prep him for school. That is why I'm putting him his bossa. I'm putting his bossa on. I don't know if the English I'm speaking is correct. Please just manage it like that. Anyhow you see it. So I'll hear him his bossa. The window, my son father was opening the window and was closing it. That is why the lights keep changing at some point based on the light from the window, as you can see. So at this point I want to put in his and he's sitting down. I say, you don't know that you are late, ba? You don't know you are late. No worry. When they flog you in school, when they flog you, you know that you are late. So I was just doing everything to make it fast, because the school say the late hour that you can come is 7:40. So when you come around 7:40, you are late. Early hour from 7 o'clock to 7:30. So that is what I was just preparing, and all my whole preparation, I still came late. Like we still came late, not I, because I'm not the one going to school. We still came late because I followed him to school, so we still came late. And I was the one preparing him for school. So we still came late. I was putting him in trouser here and his polo as a VAR, and normally they say that school wears on Friday was trouser, black trouser and a red polo, which is their JC. I don't know, because we are already this time early. It's not up to 3 days. They are not giving him uniform, and they have not given anything about paternity school. Not giving anything. So they say their uniform is their Friday wears is red and black trouser and red stockings and black shoe. But we have the black shoe, but we don't have the red stockings, and we don't have the school uniform. So I make use of the red polo he have, and here I'm just creaming his body with his cream. I don't want to cream all his body based on because of it. I want to say based on it, because of it. The school doesn't have fan, so we are making use of just his hand and his leg, so you shine based on that place is where that is open to dust and other place, so you look shine, not white like the way I'm white in this video. So that is why I'm creaming his face, his hand and his leg. That is why I cream my whole body sometimes, because I'm not a fan of cream. I don't rub cream. So yeah, I'm just putting on this don't know what is the name. It makes hair soft. So and make a soft. My baby father's sister bought it for me when I was complaining of my hair, that is, my hair was virgin hair. I need something to make it soft. So he bought that thing for me. So I rub it on his hair and I'm through there. I want to serve his food, and yeah. The indomie came at night. If you have carrot at this point, when you are done cooking your indomie, like almost done, oh, beginning, you can add your carrots or your green beans or your green pepper, anything. But for me, I don't have, so I make do of the one I have, because where I'm staying, before you see those things, mostly green pepper and green yellow pepper. Yeah, you have to do. I'm staying in the typical village, not inside village. Inside village is the typical one. So I put popcorn for him for snacks, and I want to put water for him. That is why you see me take his water bottle. And this boy is disturbing. My baby father was telling him that you don't know you are going to school. Bah, you don't know where you are going to. You think you are staying at home with us today. And he was like, he was not answering him. He was just playing his thing. And when let me just see the funny part, I did not capture that, but let me just see. When we were taking him to school, he was like, when he saw the road to this school, he was like, no, 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 no. I said, what is no? No, 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 no. You don't want to go to that place. So yeah, I just added Bobo for him. I added Bobo. He was saying, no, I don't want to go. My baby father, which is his father, was just laughing at him and smiling. So I packed the food lunch, as you can see. He was just smiling, saying, yeah, I'm not serious. You will go. I said, let me take you pictures. Let me send it to grandma.